Alright, what up, y'all? So, figure I'd give y'all a walk around of this thing real quick since I finally got everything done. So, these are 19s. VMR is the brand, V710 is the model of the wheels. 19 by 9.5s. These are 245, 245/40. 19s in the front. This is a 50 millimeter offset in the front, 45 millimeter offset in the back with 1.5 inch spacers. These are still 19 by 9.5s. I was looking for some 11s or 12s, but every rim that I really wanted in that size was like on back order, and no clue how long the back order was gonna be, so I just went ahead and got these with the spacer. So works out perfect. Fits the gap of the wide body just fine. So like I said, 19 by 9.5. These are 275/40 19s. So pretty meaty, just how I wanted this one. I said 1.5 inch spacer back here. Got those from somewhere off of eBay. Hub centric rings on all around actually. So hub centric rings all around. I put the specs and all of that in the description. But flares from eBay. These have rivets in the body. This is bolted on. All the bolts are painted to match. I made some little washers with some t-shirt vinyl, so it'll be kind of soft up against the fender when I screw it in, so I don't scratch any paint. But yeah, got it together. Redo that sticker. I had that for a while. I just thought it was kind of cool. But yeah, nice little setup with the wheels and the flares. Matches pretty much perfect. It's only like about a 2 finger gap, so not super low, but not as high as it was before. So it's pretty much perfect because I drive this car in and everywhere. So I may lower it on the stock boats, maybe another inch or so. Not 100% sure because I kind of like how it rides right now. I don't know if I want to go to a rougher ride, but I kind of like it. Just kind of wiped it down real quick to kind of get it to look a little bit clean for y'all, but this is what we're working with. 19s front and back. Got the back poked out a little bit. Flip these lights on for y'all. Most of y'all already seen these, but if anybody new is popping up, custom made LED halos and tail lights. So this is the only thing that lights up when you turn your lights on. Got the running lights and all. Brakes, signal, emergency, all of that still lights up regular with the regular bulb that's in there. So that looks just normal. LEDs in the front, LED fog lights, marker lights are regular. I'm thinking about getting the black housing versions of those with regular bulbs, and I probably won't do LEDs. But yeah, this is where we at. So yeah, let me know what y'all think.